Emotion-focused therapy is a type of psychotherapy that works directly with emotions. It encourages clients to engage and transform their painful emotions using the theory that emotion, rather than behavior or thinking, can transform emotion. In this course, I'll provide you with an introduction to the fundamentals of emotion-focused therapy, or EFT for short. We'll look at why emotions are useful, why we get trapped in these painful cycles, and how we can change things to transform these difficult experiences. In this course, we'll cover the theory of emotion and EFT's model of healing. We'll look at the practical skills and techniques used in emotion-focused therapy, and we'll look at specific tasks, including the two-chair dialogue and the empty chair dialogue. This course covers emotion-focused therapy for individuals. It's important to note that that's different to EFTC or emotion-focused therapy for couples, which isn't covered in this course. Inside the course, you'll find loads of different ways of learning. There'll be videos, readings, worksheets, quizzes, and exercises, so whichever way you learn best, there will be something in this course for you. My name is Chris. I'm a psychologist and member of the British Psychological Society. I'm the author of multiple books, including this one, Do More, Worry Less, and the co-founder of the Leeds Anxiety Clinic, and I've taught over 100,000 students online already, and I would love for you to be the next one. So if all of that sounds good, then hit the buy now button to get started. I can't wait to see you inside the course.